Alright guys, here it is, Samsung S21. This is my new phone. Today we'll make a quick unbox and quick comparison with S20. Let's start. So Ross is here again with this new fresh box device, Samsung Galaxy. You can see it's sealed, it's still new. Now I will open it in front of you, and guys, this will be my new phone. If you don't know, my daily driver was Samsung S20 for a long period of time because I love small phones. I hope it will be better because I'm still not sure it will be. Of course, just like every big YouTuber, I bought this phone for my career and now they own my ass for 2 years ahead. Never mind, I hope the phone will be good. Why I ordered this phone? Because guys, if you don't know, I live in Bulgaria and here we have phones with Exynos processors like this one. This is S20 with Exynos 990, which in my words is not good CPU, so I hope this one will be better. Why is not good? Because the battery is awful, because it has a lot of problems like heating, like lagging, and so on and so on. Anyway, I use it for a long period of time and I'm preparing a bunch of videos with comparison between these two guys. Black box, big 21 number, and black S. That means this device is black or gray in my case. If you order pink, for example, this S will be pink. Here you will find S21 5G, and to all manufacturers, please stop put this 5G in front of every box and on the back of every phone. We are 2021. I think 5G is no more a thing. Anyway, let's check on a site. Here it's just written Samsung. On the other side it's written Galaxy. On the bottom side you will find your email number, the model SMG991B-DS, which stands for dual SIM, ROM 256 gigs of internal storage, RAM is 8 gigs, Phantom Grey is my color and it's made in Vietnam. There is available version with 128 gigs of internal storage, but for now my carrier has this one only available. On the upper part of the box nothing is written, and let's check on the back. Do not accept if seal is broken, so I will break it anyway. That's it guys. You can see the box is very slim. Probably already know that because we miss the charger. Thank you Apple, thank you Samsung, and thanks to all the manufacturers who are so environmentally friendly. Just give us the choice like Xiaomi. If I want the charger, just put it in the box. If I don't want it, just give me that slim box. But I want this decision to be mine, not yours. Because everyone knows the charger which is in the box is always the best for your phone. Anyway, let's start opening the box. Here is my tactical knife. I always buy my phone second hand. Anyway, this one will be new. And let's open the box. S21. Very simple package. You can see the back of the phone. See that big camera bump with those big camera lenses. What we have on that side? Nothing. On the bottom of the phone, a SIM eject tray, a mic, USB-C, stereo speaker. Here on that side we have a power button and volume rocker, and on the upper side we have a mic, and this one is probably also a mic, I'm not sure. Okay, let's remove that from camera lens. It's better now. Let's put the phone here on that side for a minute and check what else we have on the box. As you probably know, on the upper part of the box, Samsung always have something for you. So here is a SIM eject tool, and here we have a quick start guide. That's it. On the upper part of the box, we can remove that now. Let's check the bottom part. Probably they will surprise us with a charger, but sadly it's empty. Sorry guys, no luck for us, no chargers from Samsung. Thank you Apple, thank you Samsung. Warranty card and your USB-C to USB-C cable. That's it. That's everything in the box. Let's remove these fingerprints. I'm not sure you can see, but we have here pre-installed screen protector, which is a nice touch. Let's remove that from the back of the phone. Let's try to do this. It was nice. Let's remove that sticker. Here it is, the back of my S21. You can see it's something like a matte gray. Here it's also grayish. I think it's very beautiful. Here is the camera bump. With that new design, I like it a lot. It's a matte black. And you know, it's a plastic. Samsung call it plastic, but these are bullshits. It's just a plastic. Let's compare it to S20 from last year. It's also gray, but it's a different gray, more light gray. Here, this one is more dark gray with a matte finish. I'm not sure guys how to explain it. I just like this phone more than this one. For me, it's more cleaner, more stylish. So let's check it on the sides. Here on that side, the same power button and a volume rocker. You can see now the phone here is a lot more wider. This one is thicker, but of course this is because the camera bump is just going from that side of the phone and covers the camera sensors, which is a very nice idea. On the S20, a SIM eject 2 and of course memory card slotted here. Here is missing. Samsung remove this from that phone. Thanks again Samsung. Let's check on that side what we have here, just nothing. And on the bottom part of the phone, USB-C for S21 here also, and here the SIM card tray is moved on the bottom part of the phone. And of course the loudspeaker. Both phones has stereo speakers. Let's check again the backs of both phones. I think S21 is more stylish and more beautiful. Anyway, let's try to turn it on. Has some juice on it or not. And guys, I'm preparing a lot of videos with both phones, battery comparison, performance comparison. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Have a nice day.